What's up, guys? It's JamJack770 with part 10 of the platformer series. And today we're going to be making more enemies, such as our cheap or fish to go in the water and swim around to try and kill Mario. And that's what we're going to be doing. So first you're going to want to make a new sprite and call it Enemy 2. And we're going to make it a cheap. Spent a lot of time trying to make this, so don't judge it. I made it all by myself by using a Google image. And yeah. So, first, we're going to, after you make the cheap, you're going to want to go into it. And you're going to want to do when green flag clicked. I'm going to set my size to 40, because if I set to 100, it's that big. That's not what we want. There. And we're going to want to go to 5969. Okay, so if I move that there, good. 84. And we're going to want to do forever. Point and direction. No, it's not a 0. Oh no, it's not a 0 at all. Oh no. We're going to want to make a point and direction ID, and I'm just going to make it go higher. 114. There. Then point and direction is 60, like I was going to say earlier. No, 70. 90. No, 80. 80. 100. And then we're going to want to do point in direction 80, wait 0.1 seconds, point in direction 100. Like this. Okay, you know what? No, we're not going to do that. We're going to point in direction 90 at the beginning. We're going to point in direction 90 at the beginning and forever. Climb 1 seconds to 59, 114, and then minus 59, 114, I believe. Glide there. No. Perfect. We're going to want to do point in direction 90 at the beginning, and then after that, point in direction minus 90. And set the rotation style left and right. Okay, we need to do that opposite. There. Now have our cheap, but there still is a problem. We can't die by it or anything, we can't freeze it, and yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So go into the player, and wait, no, not in the player, the enemy. And we're going to want to do another green flag clicked in the cheap. And when green flag clicked forever, if touching the player, I believe we could actually just take the Goomba one. No, that's in the die. If touching player, broadcast die. And we're also going to want to do in this, what was that just going to do? I have such bad memory. Oh, where's the... And, oh yeah, when I receive, instead of green flag clicks, we're going to want to do when I receive start enemy. There. Now that should work. Oh, we're going to want to hide. There. And when I receive start enemy, show. Perfect. And I'm actually just going to do the opposite of this real quick. Oh yeah, fish. We're just going to do that. There. But now we're going to want to freeze him. This time Mario normally does that. We are going to get this, and we're just going to drag this whole thing in. Yep, the whole thing. Whole thing. And we're just going to want to do in this frozen, we're going to want to do, I'm just going to do this, and we're going to make a frozen fish. Oh, and I adjusted the frozen Goomba. I'm just going to do that for this. Just going to adjust it. And there. Okay. And I'm going to call this frozen fish. And I'm just going to call this fish. And now we're obviously going to need a burning fish, so fish burn. And then I'm just going to go back to my dragon. Drag it there. Delete all the junk what I don't need. Also, this stuff. Then I'm going to take this fire, copy it, paste it onto this fish. And yes, I'm going to be lazy about it. And just copy and paste the same thing twice. Why do I always keep forgetting to take away these teeth? Look how. Covered. Good. And one more. We're gonna burn his eyeballs, baby. Burning eyeballs. There. We're gonna switch costume to fish burned. And this we're gonna wanna switch costume now. Fish, no, not burned. Frozen fish. And then, oh! Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, I really need this in here. And this, we're going to want to do when I receive start enemy switch costume to fish. Okay. Put this down. Oh, I did it! There, oh no. Oh, I see the problem here. Oh, we need this. Oh. I'm just gonna move this. What if I put that in there? What would happen? And then what would happen if I shot it? Nothing would happen. Good to know. Good to know. And I am just going. We're gonna make a new variable called frozen. Frozen. For the spread only. And we're gonna set, when we do this, we're gonna set frozen to true. And then at the end, we're gonna set frozen to false. And then right here, we're also gonna set frozen to false. And then we're just, oh my goodness, I made it back. And then we're here, we're gonna do if frozen equals false through this. Should work. Should work. Oh my goodness, I killed myself. Oh my goodness, I got the flower didn't respawn. Oh, glitch. Okay. I have a great idea. Instead of this junk, we're gonna make we're gonna do go to x. And we're gonna make a new variable, and we're gonna call it x for the spread only. And we're gonna set the x to the x we want it to go. And we just want the egg this. And when we receive start enemy forever. So now I'm gonna make that back. If frozen equals false, no, I have a better idea. Take this out, repeat 5, and we're going to put if frozen equals false inside of it. Change x by -1. And then after that, we're going to want to repeat 5. Change x by -1. Okay, now what we're going to do, repeat 15. We're going to need to do 50. I don't know why. 50. It's going too slow. There. There we go. And now if I collect this, we should do that. That did not work out as I planned. Okay. You know what? We're actually going to want to change y. Repeat until not touching water. next we're gonna do y is greater than 1. Set y to 1. No, point 1. Point 1. There. I guess we're just gonna do this, and hopefully it works. Ah! Okay. Sorry guys, but we're not gonna be able to do ice with this. I'm sorry. I know I let you down. I let you down, guys. I let you down. I let you down, guys. Let's just use fireball. And in this fireball, we're gonna want to go to front layer. Sorry guys, wasted a lot of your time. I am very sorry. Next episode, I will make it up to you by making Bowser. We're gonna make Bowser next episode. Okay? I am terribly sorry. Very sorry. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can dislike if you want. I don't care. That is what you can do. You can dislike. I wouldn't care if you dislike. I'm terribly sorry. And you could forgive me by hitting the dislike button, please. I want you to hit the dislike button. There's one thing I want you to do. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe button. Very good, guys. Okay, see you in part 11. And again, for the millionth time, I'm terribly sorry. Bye.